Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shivam English Class. In this video, I will talk about suffix and prefix. A suffix is a group of letters that we add at the end of a word to make a new word. A prefix is a letter or a group of letters that we add to the beginning of a word. Prefixes change the meanings of words. Now I am giving a list of suffix words. First list of suffix words are adding with able, such as comfortable, washable, reliable, charitable, preventable. Second list of suffix words are adding with full, such as beautiful, grateful, wonderful, careful, colorful. Third list of suffix words are adding with sun, infection, injection, election, direction, action. Fourth list of suffix words are adding with less, such as homeless, careless, fearless, useless, sleepless. Fifth list of suffix words are adding with ness, such as kindness, sadness, softness, dryness, thickness. Next list of suffix words are adding with er, teacher, speaker, driver, leader, ruler. Seventh list of suffix words are adding with ly, daily, lovely, monthly, kindly, friendly. Eighth list of suffix words are adding with n, woolen, wooden, golden, soften, lighten. Ninth list of suffix words are adding with meant, such as argument, achievement, movement, retirement, excitement. Now I am giving a list of prefix words with meaning and example. First prefix is dis, meaning not. Example, discomfort, disagree, disappear. Next prefix is for, meaning before. Example, forecast, forehead, foresight. Next prefix is miss, meaning wrongly. Example, mistake, misconduct, misunderstand. Next prefix is inter, meaning between. Example, interact, interlock, intermediate. Next prefix is under, meaning below. Example, under edge, underline, underweight. Next preface is anti, meaning against. Example, antisocial, antibiotic, anti-frit. Next preface is non, meaning not. Example, non-active, nonsense, non-stick. Next preface is un, meaning not. Example, unknown, unfriendly, undone. Next preface is super, meaning above. Example, superstar, superman, supernatural. Next preface is im, meaning not. Example, impatient, immoral, impossible. Next preface is mid, meaning middle. Example, midway, midsummer, midpoint. Self-help is the best help. This old proverb, I will explain this as today's bonus tip. Self-help is the best help to progress in life. The concept of this idea was planted by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Every man should do his own duty alone. A man who relies on himself struggles with difficulties. He can overcome any difficulties of life. He is always ready to help others in need of help. This person works more harder than a person who depends on others for their work. So friends, try to become a self-dependent person. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my video. In my next video, I will be back with another such type of bonus tip. Till then, thank you and goodbye.